Yeah, I hope you're enjoying your holidays. I'm just taking a look at your assignment. So you've chosen your three assignments, three elements, sorry, um, copper, calcium, and beryllium. So that was good. I'm glad you chose. Perhaps beryllium is something that you're not familiar with. So you've got a great picture. I like the formatting that you've used in this as well. Your board diagram and elements of information, and you've got one equation here. It would have been good to have seen another equation. How do we go? Oh yeah, you've got the same one equation for calcium and one the same for copper. So perhaps another or a couple, maybe two or three for each would have been good. And you've got a board diagram for each as well, so that was good to see. Um, and calcium there. But just a little brief on the background information. Um, I wanted some interesting facts as well. So it looks like you've combined your background information and interesting facts. So I would have expected to see a little bit more than that for each if you're combining those two sections. So you also have a good bibliography, so that's great. You've included all the information that I've asked for and you've submitted it on time. So I'm going to give you a very high. Enjoy the rest of your holidays and I'll see you next time.